I was very active prior to the shutdown because of the pandemic, and so I found it really hard to adjust to being home without work and not being able to go to the gym. Because of that, I decided to try out rollerblading. I really love skating. I've tried ice skating and loved it. And so because they don't have rinks near me, and anyway they would have been closed, I decided to try the roller skating because you can do it pretty much anywhere. So I chose to get the glitz roller skates because they were not very expensive. I didn't know much about which brand would be best, so and actually it seems like a lot of people have picked up roller skating as a sport because of the shutdown, so a lot of places did not have very many options for skates. It's not like I had very many options anyway, so I ended up going with those. They are pretty solid, but I did find some issues with them. I have a picture here with an arrow pointing to the tongue of the skate, and the issue I have with it is that the tongue keeps on slipping and moving to the bottom of my feet. It's really annoying because every so often I have to stop to adjust it and put it back to its normal position. So that's the main issue I have with this skate. Otherwise, it's pretty good if you have a way of maybe velcroing it to the side or taping it to the side so that it doesn't move, then it should work perfectly fine. Here I am trying it out. As I've said before, I've taken it out a few times and also got to take it to a rink, but I didn't go back because I was the only one wearing a face mask. So it wasn't worth it for me, especially because I had a hard time breathing with the mask on and trying to exercise. I got a whole bunch of safety gear, the helmet, elbow pad, knee pad. I've gone without the helmet, but I would definitely recommend the elbow and knee pad if you are roller skating outside and not in a rink. Safety gears are definitely worth it. I scar pretty easily, so I've fallen and actually hurt myself already, so it's definitely worth it to use safety gear. Also, I would recommend wearing a long sleeve if you're a beginner. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you for tuning in. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe.